This tutorial is going to show you how you can create a student profile using Google Drive. This will allow you to share some of your work and feedback with your teacher. The first thing you need to do is go to the App Store and search for Google Drive and then install this on your device. When it's installed, it'll appear on your screen, so mine's down in the right hand corner. You need to open the app and log in using your school Gmail details. So that is your username that you use to get onto the school computers at ilkleygrammar.school.com, and then type in your password. When you've entered your email and password, hit the sign in button and it will take you to the Real Smart single sign-on screen. So you need to choose Ilkley Grammar School from the drop down at the top, and then you need to sign in using your username and password for Real Smart. When you've done that and you hit the login button, it'll then open Real Smart in the window. You need to scroll across to the right and choose My Documents, and this just syncs the documents with your Google Drive. You'll see your Drive open in the window and you just need to close that and then re-sign in again. So if you put in your Gmail email address and your password as you did earlier, on the second time of going through this sign-in process, when you hit the sign-in button, it will take you straight into Google Drive. And you'll only have to do that on the first time that you sign in. So this is what your Google Drive looks like. I'm just going to agree to the terms and conditions. You'll see a plus on the top right hand corner and you can hit that to create a new folder. Folders should be named with your class code, your surname and your first name. So I'm calling my folder 7LG/IT, that's how it shows in the planner, underscore my surname Brides, underscore my first name. And if you create folders for all of your subjects using that convention. If you hit the little I on the right hand side of the folder, this will open a new window and you can hit the sharing option and choose to share this folder with your teacher. You'll have to use your teacher's ilkleygrammar.school.com email address, so you might need to ask them what that is. But if you share, and make sure your teacher can edit each of your folders. Once you've shared your folder, there's a number of different things you can do. You can open a new Google document. So I've just created a test document just to show you. And you can hit the plus just to save the document at any time. Not the plus, sorry, the tick in the top left corner. And then I'm just going to close this document. You can also, from the plus where you add in the top right, you can upload things from your camera roll. So I'm just going to take a previous screenshot of a piece of work and I'm going to upload that to my IT folder that's shared with my teacher. The final way of putting work into your Google Drive is to put it in from another app. So I'm going to quickly go to Keynote and choose one of the presentations that I've already made. I'm going to open that presentation and then as you can see on the top there's a little icon that's a square with the arrow coming out of it. So I can choose open in another app. I get an option for the format that I want to send it in, so I'm just going to stick with Keynote for the time being, but I'm going to choose to open the app in Google Drive. If I hit the upload button, it will take that piece of work out of Keynote and put it into this shared folder in Google Drive. And it's just asking me whereabouts in my drive I'd like to put that. So I'm going to put it in the 7LG/IT folder. So you can see there that I've got my folder, it's shared, and it contains 3 pieces of work: a Google document, a screenshot from my camera roll, and a keynote that I've put in from another app.